Hello learners, today I am showing you how to deploy a web application by using Elastic Beanstalk. So first of all, we have to know that what is Elastic Beanstalk. So Elastic Beanstalk is nothing but end-to-end web application management. So how it was? First of all, you simply upload your code in Elastic Beanstalk and it automatically handles the deployment from capacity provision and load balancing. So now I will show you practically how to create an application and deploy it by using Elastic Beanstalk. So first of all, log into the console. In search bar type Elastic Beanstalk. This is the option. Open it. So go to the applications. So here is the applications. We have to create an application on. Okay. So give a name. So I am giving it testing application. Give any name. I'm giving it testing application. Okay. So create. After that, create a new environment for that application. So this is the environment tier. So we have given the name, that is testing application. Okay. This is the environment information, that is the environment named test application -env. Okay. This is the platform, that is managed platform, which publishes and maintained by Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. So choose any platform. There are so many platforms, that is .NET Core on Linux, .NET on Windows Server, Docker, Go, Java, Node.js, PHP, Python, Ruby and Tomcat. So we are selecting here Python. So here is the version of Python's, that is 3.11, 3.9, 3.8. So we are going with the latest version, and this is the platform version, that is 4.0.9, that is recommended. So this is the application code. This is the we are creating a sample application. We don't have code. If you have any code, so upload your code here. That is the version label, public s3 URL. If you have in local file, so upload your file from here. So we are creating a sample application. Okay. So these are the presets, that is configuration presets. Single instance, that is free tier eligible. Single instance using spot instances. High availability using spot and on demand instances. And this is the custom configuration. So we are going with single instance, that is free tier eligible. Okay. After that, next. So if you have a service role, that is the service access. If you have a service role, so well and good. So if you want to create, so go to the create and give a name, that is I am giving it 002. Okay. So if you have a key pair, then upload it. Otherwise, no, I have a profile instance, so I'm selecting the profile instance. After that, so these three steps are optional, that is step 3, step 4 and step 5. So if you want to add something, then add, otherwise it is okay. Okay, I'm adding here a VPC, that is virtual private cloud. So I am adding here the instance subnets. Select it, otherwise it is optional. That this is the public IP address. Okay, this is the database. Choose any database. I'm not selecting any database. Okay, because it's a simple application. These are the instances, that is root volume, which is also mean by boot device. Okay, This is Amazon Cloud Watch monitoring. There is 1 minute timer or 5 minutes. Okay. By default it is 5 minutes. Okay. Instance Media Data Services IMDS, that is deactivated. There are EC2 security groups. By default I am selecting here default selecting group. This is the capacity of your application. These are the auto scaling groups, that is environment type, single instance or load balancer. By default it is single instance. This is the fleet composition, that are the another in two option, on demand instance or spot instance. By default it is on demand instance. This is the architecture. This is the instance type. So choose any instance type. These are the instance types. Okay, by default it is t3.micro and t3.small. I am selecting only one here, that is t3.micro. This is the AMI ID, that is Amazon Machine Image ID. Next. These are the health reports. System, that is basic or enhanced. Always put it on enhanced. Don't do anything here. This is the manage platform updates. By default it is selected. This is email notification. If you want to add your email here, then add it. Rolling updates and deployment. This is the application deployment. Batch size type, that is percentage or fixed. These are the configuration updates. Rolling update type, that is deactivated. Here these are the deployment preferences. Ignore health false, health threshold, that is command timeout, that is 600 seconds. These are the platform software. In container options there are two options. Okay, first is Nginx and second is Apache. So if you want to do it on Apache, then select Apache here. If you want to doing on Nginx, then Nginx. These are the S3 storage. These are the Amazon X-ray instance log, streaming to CloudWatch logs. By default it is selected. So go to the next. So this is the review. Configuration management, configuration service access, setup networking database and tags, configure instance traffic and scaling, configure update monitoring and logging. So submit. After submitting here, the Elastic Beanstalk is launching our environment. It will take few seconds. So it will start creating. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. So now using Elastic Beanstalk API South, the storage bucket for environment data. All the data of Elastic Beanstalk will stored in S3 bucket. Okay. Security group named. Created IP, that is EIP. So here is the domain name and domain link, that is also known as the app link. Here is the application name. So now it is launching an instance. So instance deployment completed successfully. So our app health is okay and environment successfully launched. Okay. So now we have to open our application. So click on the domain link and it will open. So congratulations, your first AWS Elastic Beanstalk Python application is now running on your own dedicated environment in the AWS cloud. So this is how we have to create our application by using Elastic Beanstalk. So here the EC2 will launched by its own and our instance is running. So here is our instance, that is test application, which was created by Amazon AWS. So this is our instance. So this is our application and it is successfully running. So this is how you are creating Elastic Beanstalk application. Thank you.